Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy with sugar. We'll cover the essential steps to transform simple sugar into delicious candy. You'll learn about the importance of precise temperatures and how to prevent common issues like crystallization. By following these instructions, you can create a variety of hard candies with a smooth, clear finish. Let's get started on this sweet adventure. To begin, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. For equipment, a heavy-bottomed saucepan is best for even heating. A candy thermometer is absolutely vital to track the sugar's temperature precisely. Also, have a prepared surface, like a silicone mat or greased baking sheet, ready for pouring the hot candy mixture. Combine your sugar, water, and corn syrup in the saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. Once it begins to boil, stop stirring completely to prevent crystallization. Continue cooking until your candy thermometer reads between 300 and 310 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Remove from heat, let the bubbling subside, then carefully stir in your desired flavorings and food coloring. Once your flavoring is mixed in, immediately pour the hot candy mixture onto your prepared surface or into molds. Work quickly, as it will begin to set. Allow the candy to cool completely at room temperature. Avoid refrigerating it, as this can cause stickiness. Once fully hardened, break the candy into desired pieces. Store your homemade candy in an airtight container to maintain its crisp texture and prevent moisture absorption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.